Hello and welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to update Windows 11 sound driver. So let's begin guys. Press the Windows key plus R button on the keyboard. This will open run command and type here dev mgmt.msc and press enter. This will open device manager. And there is another option to open device manager. Click on search button and type here device manager and press enter. This will also open device manager. Inside the device manager we have to find audio inputs and outputs. Just expand it and right click on the default device and click on the update drivers. And now click here search automatically for drivers. This will update your device driver automatically, but this will need an internet connection. This process will take a couple of minutes, so just relax. And now as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. So this device has already installed best driver, but in your case, this process will update your device driver. I hope guys this whole process will help you to update your device driver on Windows 11.